What's up everybody, this is Yair and today we are going to draw Saitama. Okay, so today we are going to draw Saitama from One Punch Man. As you can see, these are the materials we'll use for this tutorial, but basically all you need is an HB2 pencil and the black color pencil. So without further ado, as you guys can see, I started by drawing a perfect square. Each side is 5 centimeters, but you can draw it in any size you want to. We're going to start by drawing Saitama's face. Next, we are going to draw this guideline to help us draw the eyes. Next, we are going to draw the eyebrows. As you can see, they get thinner towards the edge. And then we are going to draw the eye by using 4 lines, 4 curved lines, and then draw the pupil on the center. We'll do the same process for the left side. And then we'll draw his nose by using 2 lines. And then we'll draw 2 more lines to create the mouth. As you can see, these are 2 diagonals. Also, next I'm gonna refine the jaw a bit, just make it a bit wider. And then we'll move on to draw the ear. So first we'll draw the shape of the ear, and only then we'll add the details. Next, we're going to draw Saitama's neck. Then we'll draw the color of his shirt by using 4 curves. And then we'll draw the cape with dynamic lines. As you can see, the lines are curved. We want to make it seem like it's blowing in the wind. Create all those nice creases. Next, we'll refine the cape by drawing those 2 black circles that hold the cape. And then we are going to draw the zipper. We'll do that by using geometrical lines. Then we'll give the lines volume by drawing the same shape but only smaller. And just add 1 hole right there. Awesome, next we're going to get rid of all the lead, and then we'll take the black color pencil. Make sure to sharpen the pencil because now we are going to go all over the lines. And as you can see, I'm holding the pencil closer to the tip, that way I can have more control, I can be more accurate. I'm rotating the page so I can have my NHM, natural hand movement, and then simply go all over the lines by pushing or by pulling lines. From time to time you want to sharpen the pencil to make those lines look sharp and smooth. Awesome, once we are done with that, we're going to take the HB2 pencil or the mechanical pencil and we'll mark all the shaded areas. This process is called cell shading. For this drawing I want the light source to come from the right side, which means that the left side will appear darker. And now we can start the shading process. So as you can see, I'm pulling and pushing the pencil, adding more and more layers, and I'm doing that in the direction of the shape. By adding more layers, I'm getting a darker tone. And once we are done with that, we are going to add another shade. This will be our darkest tone. And for that process, we are going to hold the pencil closer to the tip, just like before, so we can have more lead on the paper and then get a darker tone. Next, we're going to hold the pencil closer to the eraser and we want to shade the brightest areas. So we don't want to apply too much pressure on the pencil because we want to have a bright layer of lead. And next, to get a nice highlight, we'll use the eraser just to make the bald head shine. Awesome, so this is the process and we'll do the same for the cape. Again, shading in the direction of the shape. For the color, I'm barely using any pressure just because I want to keep it bright. And for the zipper as well, I'm leaving some blank areas to get a nice highlight. Next, we're going to color the pupils, and as you can see, I'm leaving a blank spot on the top right, again because of the lighting. And we'll use the same black color to shade those two stones. As you can see, I'm also using it to create more shade on Saitama's neck, just because that area gets a lot of shade from his head, so it's supposed to be a bit darker. And then gradually I'm creating a gradient on those stones. Awesome, next we're going to refine the drawing, get rid of all the lead around. We're simply gonna add some shade right below the nose. And now just lower the volume a bit or turn it up if you get the balls. And we are done! Everybody, this is how you draw Saitama from One Punch Man. Please let me know how you did in the comment section, comment down below. Also, make sure to hit that like button to support my work and subscribe if you know I upload new videos every week, about 4 to 5 new videos every week. That's it for today, keep being awesome and I'll see you on the next video. Peace!